And it goes a little something like
My YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what's inside of these wacky packages. Because I have a lot of them, so I'm going to show you guys. Okay. So the first one we have is this. So we have this spray, this Speed Stick deodorant. Gum. Skimpy instead of Skippy peanut butter. Moron salt. Mr. Clean with a K, and his face looks weird. And we also have fruit phobia. So yeah. So now time to move on to the next package. So here's the next package. Let's just dump it out. Alright. So the first one up is gonna be Hit Kat instead of Kit Kat. This is Jolly Mean Giant Peas. Sick Blood Stick. Like cleaning thing. E-balls. Weird meatballs. We have Horrid Spray on Deodorant. We have 6 Up instead of 7 Up. A-Jerks. And the last one in this one is Gurgler's Baby Food. On to the next package. Here's the next package. Let's just dump it out. And I have cardboard in here. Okay. So the first one we have are these Rivals. Interesting. We have Fiasco instead of Tabasco sauce. We have Rice Krispies. We have these Ghoul Scout cookies. Minute pre-cooked lice. We have some Band-Aids, strips off skin. We have some Logs, potato flavored wood chips. Some cocktails. Milk drone, drone. And that's it. So, time to move on to the last package. Okay, so here's the last package. Let's just get on into it. There's only a couple in this one, but that's fine. Okay. So, starting off with Cracked Jerk. Hold on. It has like a dog biting the man. That's great. We have some Wacky cereal. We have Scram. We have some Crafty Shingles Stale Old Cheddar. And last but not least, we have some rats. So that one is good. And you know what? For the fun of it, we're going to show you Eduardo. Here's Eduardo. Eduardo. He's a very cute Minecraft chicken on planet Earth, you know. Because that's just how it is with Eduardo. He's very cute and small. So I just decided to show you guys. But yeah, that was basically the end of the video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and make sure to turn on those post notifications so you never miss another